Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
I'm Vedika.
I'm Shreya.
So, sir, ma'am, first of all, wish you very happy Doctor's Day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your valuable time. We all know that you're very best and famous doctor in Sonai. And I'm feeling very proud and happy that I'm to be sitting in front of you today.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, are you ready? May we begin with interview?
With
Yes.
your permission.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, ma'am. So, could you introduce yourself?
Myself, Dr. Swati Attal, working as a pediatrician along with my father-in-law in Sonai, in Ashwini Clinic at Rauri Road.
So now my second question. If you were not a doctor, what would you have been?
Mm, My passion was in teaching, so uh, I would like to prefer teaching as a profession.
Oh, that's good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ma'am, do you have a favorite patient story that made you happy and smile?
Yes, I have so many patient stories, but I can share you. Mm, I can share you one
Yes, ma'am. Of
that
course.
s- a child of nearly 5 to 6 years came at my OPD, and his face was like angle of mouth was deviated, and the saliva is dribbling, and whatever drink he has taken, that all come out from the one angle of mouth. So that time my father-in-law was not here. That he was absent in at that time, and I was diagnosed that it was a Bell's palsy, that is facial paralysis.
Oh,
And so I was so proud about myself that I was diagnosed that this is. And then with the help of my father-in-law, I continued treatment to him, and he was now fine.
that's great. Um,
So ma'am, my next question. What makes you happy after a long of work?
When patient said that आता आता बाळाला बरं आहे और अभी बच्चे को ठीक है, that makes me very happy. Patients review or reply that he is getting cured, so that makes me very happy.
oh, ma'am, that's very nice. So, ma'am, my next question is, who is your role model?
My role model was my grandfather. He is no more, but every time he supported me, and to become a doctor, he encouraged me a lot. Many times now also I'm missing him. He was so excited that he was going to ask me how many patients you did in a day,
Yes.
and he was so curious that Swati is doing this,
Wow.
doing that. So my role model was my grandfather, and after that my role model was at present my father-in-law.
Oh, that's very great, ma'am.
So ma'am, my last question. What are the biggest challenge are you face as a doctor?
While handling pediatric patient, they are not cooperating, or they are always crying. And by seeing this atmosphere of clinic and OPD, they get started crying. So that is one of the most challenging tasks for me to handle pediatric patient. Otherwise, it's a challenging profession that child cannot say कि क्या हो रहा है उसको. He is not able to talk even what he is facing or she is facing. So we have to understand by symptoms and by actions that what they are facing, and so this one is I thought this one is challenge for me.
Yes, ma'am, that's very nice. And ma'am, we are very thankful to you for your valuable time for us. Have a nice day, ma'am. Thank you.
The great interrogatory part, and
Yes.
I want to thank specially Miss Principal Ma'am. She is my
Yes.
best friend.
Yes.
That's Sonal Loda Ma'am.
Yes.
That they had encouraged you and
Yes, ma'am.
sent you to our OPD.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Thank you, Loda ma'am.
TSK students.
That keep yourself healthy by doing exercise along with physical health. Your mental health is also that much important. So do yoga, meditation, and have a good habits.
Yes.
As in school also you had taught many of good habits. So apply that good habits in your day to day life. Reduce your screen time,
Yes.
as it is nowadays. By scrolling simply on mobile will impact on your brain.
Yes, that's
So
true.
many psychological problems students are facing. So
Yes.
you have to take care of your health as well as mind health as well as physical health, because you know that sound mind lives in sound body.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. We will really follow it, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yes, thank